Sugar. It's in everything, from your morning coffee to that healthy granola bar. Cutting back sounds simple, but we all know it's anything but. So how do you actually maintain a low-sugar diet without feeling deprived or overwhelmed? Let's break it down. The first step is awareness. Sugar hides in places you'd least expect: salad dressings, pasta sauces, even savory snacks. Start by checking labels. You might be shocked by how often sugar sneaks in under names like maltose, dextrose, or even organic cane juice. Learning to decode your food is the first weapon in your arsenal. Next, focus on your taste buds. Over time, they adapt. The less sugar you consume, the less you crave it. But that doesn't mean you have to give up sweetness entirely. Swap refined sugars for natural alternatives like fresh fruits, dates, or even a drizzle of raw honey. These options come with fiber and nutrients, keeping your energy steady without the crash. Preparation is key. Those mid-afternoon cravings hit hard if you're unprepared. Keep low-sugar snacks on hand. Think nuts, hard-boiled eggs, or plain Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon. These will keep you satisfied and prevent a trip to the vending machine. What about drinks? Sugary beverages are one of the biggest culprits in high sugar consumption. Instead of soda or store-bought juice, go for sparkling water with a squeeze of lime, unsweetened iced teas, or even homemade fruit-infused water. You'd be surprised how refreshing these alternatives can be once you ditch the syrupy stuff. And let's not forget balance. A low-sugar diet isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Treats can be part of the plan as long as they're occasional and intentional. When you do indulge, savor it. Take the time to truly enjoy the experience, and then return to your regular routine without guilt. Lastly, remember why you're doing this. Lower sugar doesn't just mean a slimmer waistline, it's about better energy, sharper focus, and long-term health. You're building habits that go beyond dieting, you're creating a lifestyle. So, what's stopping you? The journey to a low-sugar life isn't about restriction, it's about finding freedom from the highs and lows of a sugar roller coaster. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your body, and your cravings, transform.